Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can get Google Meet on our desktop. Right, so the first thing that we wanted to do is to bring up the internet browser. Right, and when you bring up the internet browser, we're going to type here meet, right, meet dot google.com. Right, so we want to type meet.google.com. And when you do that, you want to do is to press the enter key. When you press the enter key, right, there you see exactly what come up. Right, if you notice what come up on your screen, you notice it shows that you can actually start a meeting immediately. You can enter code, you can actually join, right? Up here show that you can actually join a meeting, you can start a meeting. But what we wanted to do is come right at the triple dot here. And we're going to come down all the way down, right? So you're looking for tools, more tools. When you come right here, more tools, and you go across, you're going to create a shortcut, right? So when you click on it, create a shortcut. If you notice over here, it show you, right? And then you actually click on the word create. When you click on the word create, now you're going to minimize this. And if you notice right here, you actually have it on your desktop, right? So very important. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So remember to like and subscribe.